What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Lexi, and today I'm bringing you another crochet install. Y'all, it's been a minute since I put some color in my hair, and I'm not gonna lie, like, your girl feeling herself. You know what I'm saying? Like, girl, like, I am feeling myself. One box is supposed to be enough, and this is the Zury Naturali Star V8910 crochet hair, and I got it in the style Bohemian. See if we're gonna focus and show you. There we go. In the style Bohemian, and the color is Somburg, which is burgundy. I usually get 99J, but they didn't have it. Now I've had this in my little collection stash for years. I want to say, like, I've had this for like 3 years, 2 years. I've had this in the bag for like 2 years. Now right now I believe this box to get like one is like $15.99. When I bought it, it was $10.99 in my local beauty supply store. I didn't order it offline. Honestly, it took me like 2 hours and 30 minutes to do my hair, only because I kept stopping and pausing because my arms are hurting. So I already have my braid when I get into the video. My braid pattern is already done. It took me an hour to do my braid pattern, and then it took me like another hour to crochet the hair in, only because I paused and I stopped throughout doing my hair. Some things that I used was the Africa's Best Ultimate Hair Oil. I also used the Dove Amplified Texture Leave-In Conditioner. I used the Aunt Jackie's Still It Up Butter. That's for braiding my hair. You won't see me use that in here. And then I used the Cream of Nature Argan Oil grease, and I use the coconut grease. Now I haven't applied grease to my hair and I don't know how long. Like, I don't even know how old these grease containers are, but I was like, you know what, my scalp is still a little irritated. Let me go ahead and grease my scalp and see if that alleviates it, and work hand in hand with the oil. I know a lot of people say natural's not supposed to use grease because petroleum jelly, blah 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 blah, but if it works, it's gonna work. So I'm gonna try it out. Now that being said, y'all, I scraped this clean. Like, I was not going to the store to buy any, I wasn't spending any money on anything to complete this install. Like, I wasn't doing that. So that's why I have two different greases, because I ran out of this one. So then I had to search in the back and I found this one. But baby, let me tell you how I got the end of that rat tail comb. Girl, I scraped it gone. Like, it's nothing in here at all. Nothing. And then on this one, I still have some in there. Like, I didn't need a lot. And I use tea tree oil, and I also use vapor rub, because I use vapor rub when I'm gonna wash my hair. I usually grease my scalp, and my scalp is like horrible. I grease my scalp with it, I let it sit overnight, and then I go ahead and wash it. But that is already done before I come on and film, so you all don't see that. But yeah, girl. And this jar is only for my hair. Like, I don't use this jar for like my chest or if I got a cold. Like, no, this is only for my hair. So I did rub this throughout my scalp as well. Call me ghetto if you want to, but my scalp still feels great. But yes, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into Alright, you guys, so we are back. And I'm feeling this. Like I already said before, y'all, I'm feeling this. What is that? Okay, so I'm assuming this part did not, when I wrapped it to tie it down, this part, I don't know if you can see that, it's like sticking up all weird. So rather than cutting it, let's see if I can crochet it underneath to avoid having to cut the hair. If not, let's see. Oh, it came through. That's better. Okay. And for little places, like, you know, that you can, that might be a little too long for you, just go ahead and snip. Don't snip too much, of course, but snip it to your liking. I've already shaped it or whatever. Also, if you want to know like a little trick, so you should have, everybody should have like different levels of hair bonnets. Like you got your grandma hair bonnet, you got your small hair bonnet, and you should also have like your extra large hair bonnet. So if you like, dang, my hair don't look like it's trying to form or get in shape, what you do is, and I'm trying not to mess up my makeup, what you do is you put your bonnet on. I don't want to mess up my makeup, but I'm going to show y'all real quick. You put your bonnet on, right? Get it all in there. Don't rub your eyebrow off, because I almost took off my eyebrow. Okay. Okay. Get your bonnet on, fluff it in the hair bonnet, like fluff it in the hair bonnet. Squish it down. I know you need volume, but we squishing it down. You squishing it down so the hair bonnet can form the shape for you. Then once you take it off, you see how it's like mushed together, but it's already kind of giving you your form. Then that's when you start tugging and pulling to get the style that you want. And you see how that, like, look at this. Let's fluff this side first. Okay. And I just shake the back like that. Just shake the back. So, okay, can you see the difference? Like, look how this one is. Girl, did I? Okay, now if I said, did I knock my eyelash off? I didn't. Okay. So, you see how this side is full and this side still looks smushed? And so, then you just fluff them out to your liking. Like, I love real big hair. Like, I love big hair. So, I'm going to do quite a bit of fluffing. Give it a shake. And you good to go. And you good to go. Now, if the bangs are in, don't cut. I didn't cut a lot of bangs just in case I want to wear the hair to the side. Like, I can bobby pin it and bring it together. So keep that in mind if you want to wear your hair in different styles. But if you're just gonna wear it in with your bangs, then you don't have to keep it in mind. But if you want to like change up the style a little bit, then be careful not to cut too much of your bangs. And all these little fringe little areas, you can just cut those out. But yeah, I like my hair messy. I love my hair big, so this style works great for me. Like I said, I haven't had my hair like this in a minute, and I did only need one box, so one box was definitely enough. However, I did split the hair apart because I need more volume. I need a lot of volume. I feel like if I didn't split it, maybe I will run out of hair given how many braids I have. So keep that in mind as well. Like your braiding pattern, your braiding pattern is definitely important, because you don't want to have like 15 braids in the front and you only got one box of hair. Okay, but I do feel like this would be real cute if it was left together, if someone wanted to do like a quick style and they didn't care much about volume. Like this would be a cute style just to crochet it in as is, but I didn't want to run out of hair for wanting bigger hair, if that makes sense. So yeah, you guys, I will leave in the description box where you can get you some hair like this, or you can go to your local beauty supply store. One pack was definitely enough, like I said. And your girl is popping, like popping. Like what? And like y'all, I feel, you know when your hair big, or like if you do a twist out and you let your hair out, once you get that big old afro, girl, you a whole nother person. Like your inner Beyonce come out, girl. Like you get a little more sass. I get a little more sass. Like yeah. Okay. Alright, let me quit messing with it. Alright, babies, thank you for tuning in to another video with your girl Lexi. If you have not already, go ahead and like my video and subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Turn on your notification bell so you're notified every time I post. And as always, take care of yourself, and I'll see you in my next video.